Let's move on. The first word is metamorphosis. It is noun. It is this word is basically used in biological sciences. It is a biological process in which an insect or an amphibian changes from its young form to its adult form in two or more separate stages. It is a step-by-step process in which a children, or you can say that mostly insects, larvae change into its adult form. Metamorphosis is a biological process by which an animal physically develops after birth or hatching, involving a conspicuous, it means clear, and relatively abrupt. Abrupt means immediately change in the animal's body structure through cell growth and differentiation. Sentences are the metamorphosis of a caterpillar into a butterfly. She had undergone an amazing metamorphosis from awkward schoolgirl to beautiful woman. Evolution of something, change, rebirth, transmission, or you can say that modification of something. Then we use this word metamorphosis. Synonyms are evolution, changeover. Antonyms are stagnation, stoppage, stagnant. It means stop. Family word is metamorphosis, metamorphic. It is basically a process name, metamorphic. The next word is mitigate. Mitigate, this word we use in the sense of to weaken the impact of something, the things which have devastating impact on our lives. And we use this word to mitigate, to lessen its effects, to make something less harmful, serious. Make less severe, serious, or painful. Mitigate, alleviate, circumscribe. We use these words to weak or to reduce the devastating impact of something, adverse impact of something. Soil erosion was mitigated by the planting of trees. If we plant more and more trees, then the soil erosion can be reduced. It is unclear how to mitigate the effects of tourism on the island. Synonyms are weaken, lighten, alleviate, pacify. Then we use this word. Antonyms: increase, extend, uprise, increase of something. Family word is mitigation, mitigated. The third word is mundane. It is adjective. When we have lack of interest or excitement and we are lazy, then we use this word mundane. Very ordinary and therefore not interesting. Sentences are on a more mundane level. Can we talk about the timetable for next week? I lead a pretty mundane existence. Routine, ordinary of something every day. We are performing our tasks on daily basis. Then we sometimes hectic. It is ordinary things. We are not excited to perform our tasks. Then we use this word mundane. Antonyms are extraordinary, wonderful, exciting. These are its antonyms. Family word is mandatory. The last word is myriad. It is also adjective. When we have the things which is countless or unlimited, then we use myriad, a great number of something, extremely large. We can't count these things. Then we use this word myriad. Sentences are the myriad problems of modern life. And now myriads of bars and hotels are opening up along the coast. Synonyms are countless, endless, immeasurable, uncountable. Then we use this word. Antonyms are measurable, calculable, and the family word is myriad. Let's try to make sentences. How we can use these words? Shiza had undergone an amazing Metamorphosis. Metamorphosis from school teacher to a college lecturer. But she faces a period of problems bringing up her children. Because she is a working woman. And her initial job was pretty mundane, but later was less productive. However, her friend Anna is trying to figure out a way to mitigate her tension. First word is
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
yes.
मैम आपने ये हर फ्रेंड सना ये जो दो डैश लगाए इनका मुझे जरा समझा दीजिए मतलब
ये लिखने का तरीका होता है, इनको हम EM डैशेस,
अच्छा
ठीक है। ये
जी
बेसिकली डिस्क्रिप्शन मैंने दे दी है। हर फ्रेंड देखें,
जी
सेंटेंस पढ़े, हर फ्रेंड इज ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट अ वे टू मिटिगेट हर टेंशन। सेंटेंस अंडरस्टूड।
जी
लेकिन यहाँ पे EM डैशेस देकर मैंने इसको बना दिया कंपाउंड सेंटेंस, कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस में ना हम ये वर्ड यूज करते हैं EM डैशेस। ये सर आपको लेक्चर देंगे जहाँ वो आपको EM डैशेस, सेमीकोलन, कॉलन और ब्रैकेट इनका यूजेज सिखाएंगे कि आपको कहाँ कहाँ
सही है मैम ठीक है मैम
She
थैंक यू
has undergone an amazing metamorphosis, change, transmission, modification, metamorphosis from a school teacher to a college lecturer. But she faces a myriad of problems, countless problems, a great number of problems. You can use this expression as well, a great number of problems. Bringing up her children because she's a working woman and her initial job when she was working as a teacher was pretty mundane, थोड़ी थका देने वाली थी, but later it was less productive. वो इतनी फायदेमंद नहीं रही financially or you can say that. However, her friend Sana is trying to figure out a way to mitigate her tension. In this way, he can minimize or alleviate her tension.
Ma'am, mundane mean is every day. So every day means
No, 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 no,
here
no.
every means थका देने वाला, tired.
मंडेन का मतलब होता है कि आप एक चीज बार बार रूटीन में टास्क कर रहे हो, आप उससे थक जाते हो, बोरिंग हो जाते हो। तो जैसे मोनोटोनस, अनएक्साइटिंग, डल थिंग, आप जब रूटीन में एक ही टास्क करते जाओगे तो आप उससे थक जाते हैं, जैसे बोर हो जाना। मंडेन का ये मतलब। The
Okay.
word is metamorphosis. Means rebirth. In scientific point of view, evolution. change, mutation, modification, reconstruction, reconstruct. The next word is mitigate. Mitigate means alleviate, reduce, less, lighten, means pacify something. The third word is mundane. Means monotonous, boring, ordinary, dull, unexciting, uninteresting. The last word is myriad. It means countless, means innumerable. Immeasurable. Infinite, unlimited, loads of something, masses, scores of people. In IELTS, we mostly use this expression, scores of people, loads of people, a sizable majority, in this way, myriad. This is, okay, the next was mundane. We have discussed 4 words today. The first was metamorphosis. It is basically change of something, transmission, modification of something. Mostly we use this word in scientific point of view, a biological process. When a young larva change into its adult form, then we use this word metamorphosis. The next word was mitigate. Alleviate something, reduce, mitigate the tension, reduce tension, alleviate, circumscribe. Then we use this word mitigate. The third word was mundane. It is also adjective. Mundane means monotonous, undesirable thing, uninteresting, unexciting thing. When you feel bored by performing a daily task, routine work, then we use mundane level, mundane existence, mundane. The last word was myriad. It is a thing which is uncountable, innumerable, immeasurable, scores, loads of something, infinite. Then we use this word myriad. Okay, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Allah Hafiz, goodbye.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.
मैम आज स्पीकिंग की क्लास आप लेंगी
हाँ
क्या
जी,
आज
मैं
ऑफ है?
नहीं मैं लूंगी और कुछ फ्रेजल वर्क करवाऊंगी, बाकी जो कल आपको इंट्रोडक्शन करवाया था वो आप लोगों से थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करवाऊंगी, बस यही।
मैम स्पीकिंग की क्लास में मुझे भी लिंक मुझे भी काइंडली सेंड कर दें।
आप स्पीकिंग क्लास में नहीं है?
नहीं, बल्कि मैं वो मैं देख रही थी कि सर से लिया था मैंने, तो अभी मैं फिलहाल नहीं हूँ उसमें।
चलें ठीक है, मैं ना वोकैबुलरी की क्लास कर दूंगी शेयर, तो आप वहां से भी ज्वाइन कर लेना, तो बाद में मैं क्लास में आपके साथ कोड शेयर कर देती हूँ, ठीक है?
ओके, उसका कोड नहीं है एक्चुअली मेरे पास, वो फिर मैं ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकती हूँ।
आप वोकैबुलरी की क्लास से लिंक लेके ज्वाइन करें, बाकी मैं आपको स्पीकिंग क्लास में ना कोड
गूगल कोड जो होता है ना, क्लास
जी
कोड,
हाँ वो मैं बता
वो
रही
आप
हूँ कि
मुझे
आप
सेंड
स्पीकिंग
कर
की
दें,
क्लास में
फिर मैं
आए,
ज्वाइन कर
तो
लूँगी।
मैं स्पीकिंग की क्लास में आपको कोड बताती हूँ, आप वोकैबुलरी में भी शेयर कर दूंगी ना लिंक, तो आप वहां से ज्वाइन कर, ठीक है?
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, अल्लाह हाफिज स्टूडेंट्स, गुड बाय।